It's a beautiful day here in Jamaica today, people. Very beautiful. Let me check the temperature right now. Hold on. Hey Siri, what's the temperature like?
It's about 89 degrees outside.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, as you just heard in the intro. Yeah, I just want to say welcome to another video, yeah? Yeah, man, another Driving Through Jamaica, alright? It's a beautiful day here in Jamaica today, people. Very beautiful. Let me check the temperature right now. Hold on. Hey Siri, what's the temperature like?
It's about 89 degrees outside.
89 degrees, people. You hear that? Alright, yeah. So what you pre now? Right now I'm on a little journey. I'm midweek right now. Today is actually the grade 6 exam. You know the exam there when them do for go high school? Yeah, them call it must be paper or something like that, right? So today I you know back in our days we did do common entrance and then them did have GSAT, something like so. I think, yeah. Yeah, I say, so other exam they are in the place right now. It was yesterday and today, see? So, you know, majority of the schoolers them they are not at school today because them locked down the school just for the grade 6 children. Them. You see me I say, yeah, just for the grade 6 kids them. Alright, for them do them exam. So today I'm about to take my nieces to the dentist. Alright, so just in case one of them is really young, like almost 2 or so. Yes, little over 2, sorry, another one is about 6. So just in case you hear now, you know they are. So you know, say, yeah. Them not a car with me, alright? Yeah, man. Alright? Yeah. So now, you want to say hi? See? Want to say hi? Just say hi. Say hi. You have to say it loud enough. Say it now. That no loud. Come right to say, come say hi. Come the man. Oh yeah, unbuckle your seatbelt. Alright, let's come right this and say hi. Say it louder. Nobody in our ear still. Say it like when you talk to me at home. Alright, sit back and buckle back your seatbelt. Alright people, she act like she shy, but she not shy. Alright, but we just tell her just in case. Alright. Yeah, some man do some bee bushing, you know? Yeah. Kai, you okay? Eh? Alright. Yeah, people. So, yeah, I mean, I record them, could have wonder what go on, but I don't explain to them and tell them to record, but I could have wonder what go on, just a chat up my mouth. I don't see nobody. Okay, but as I get bigger, they will understand still, alright? Yeah, people, so right now, we're currently on Municipal Boulevard, and we are head to, where we are head to? At UN then? I've never been to this place, it's called 360 Dental. I know it, but I've never been there. So I'm about to head up there. I think it's on Molynes Road, upper part of Molynes Road. That's where it is. And yeah, we have an appointment, so we are going to check in and, you know, get them teeth healed and all of that. You understand? Yeah, my people. So we just stay here and make our way today. So, as I say, a beautiful, beautiful day here in Jamaica. As you heard earlier, 89 degrees out the door. Yeah, wonder what's the temperature like in your area? You're good at cold, no? Yeah, man. That's how it things set up, man. So, we just want to say, yo, big up to all of me new subscriber them. Yeah, me have to be good up in every video, you know, because my subscriber count I go up steadily, you know. Yeah, man, me have new people every day I check in. So me appreciate, you know, me just say, yo, thanks for checking over here, so. You understand, 876 by Bergs, we just drive around Jamaica, and we just chat about the things more while and thing. You get what I say? Yeah, man. Big up the Jamaicans them there where I watch, look, my sister the viewing strong from the Jamaicans them, you know. Yeah, so big up on yourself, you understand? Big up the foreigners them likewise, you know the thing go already, you see me? People in the UK, people in Canada, people in Florida, the whole of Florida, South Florida, people in upstate, people in Orlando side. Big up them people, you get what I say? Big up the people in the Caribbean, people in from over California side. Yeah, people in the Caribbean now, big up people in Antigua, yo, Bermuda, Cayman. Yo, you may say the Caribbean people, man, big up on yourself, man, all of the Caribbean people, them. You get what I say? Yeah, big up on yourself and don't know the thing go, you see me? Yeah, man, give thanks for view the thing and and if you want Jamaican where live over there, big up yourself. I'm glad to see you check in Bawago and locally, you get me? Yeah, man. So, as I say, we're still currently there on Municipal Boulevard, and yeah, we are doing thing. We're going to jump on Mandela Highway further out there, so you get me? Yeah, my people. So this is the thing there. Yeah, I know when I pre out the news and I see a big thing go on a yard here. Youths are hungry now, you know. I take it, I go for the money, literally. Yeah, literally I go for the money, people. You see me? Yeah. So, why, I don't know. Serious a yard here, brother. Serious. People are hungry. Serious all over the world, you see me? But when you see certain things that happen, right, that's why in a little Jamaica we'll probably do that hear about somewhere else in the world. When I feel say, yo, Jano, is this for real? You get me? Oh yeah, man, a real life thing I go on, people. Real life thing I go on, my people. May I tell you now? You see me? Yeah. And yeah, me have my GPS run, so just in case you hear, you know, talking, yeah, we have ways a direct you up my place, you know. I have a little idea, but you don't know me, I want to miss right now, so yeah, we have to just plug on the GPS and do things. Yeah, man, so if me take the left here carry me upon the South Coast Highway, can carry go all about Clarendon, you know, Mapen side, them side, you get me? Yeah. So if I go Mandeville, I could have take this and go upon it, you understand? Yeah. Yeah, man, people, so we just have to take our time right now. Because we are going. So, how it's been for you guys though? Like, what go on? What I did, open a good, you know, because you know a whole heap of things are going on everywhere in the world, so I hope you good, you see me? Yeah. And if you can't be good, just be careful, you get me? Yeah, man. You see it? And if everything now 100% to do, you know, I hope, you know, in a short order, everything will catch 100% on the way. Alright, you get me? Yeah, man, we put in a great health and, you know, a good vibe on the mood, alright, and thing, you understand? Yeah. That we are saying right now, man. You see me? Yeah, man. And those good vibes and them thing, the good vibration we are sending phone away right now. You see me? Yeah. Alright, we can see if we are about to get up on the highway because the light here kind of change fast, you know. Yeah. Light here have to change quick, you know, and then it take long for you to get back the green, you know. Yeah. Yeah, so right now we're currently on Mandela Highway now. Yeah. Yeah, man, them did redo the road there, you know, people. Good while now. Them redo it, so you know, a nice little stretch. I go in a Kingston side, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man, it's smooth and nice, my people, you see me? Alright, them say 5-0 up ahead, so I could see what I go on. Don't like with ways, you know, you see me? Yeah. Tell you what go on the streets, you know? Google Map been directing people all over some precipice more while. Yeah. So the people that might use ways right now to get to their destination, cause me say Google Map now go on good. You see me? Yeah. Yeah, man. You know, we just want to try as best to maintain the speed limit here, you know, cause the traffic find them out the road right now is steep, you know, people. Yeah. Steep. We don't see the police, but we know we have ferry police station right as still, so I don't know if that the people them tag it, you see me? I tag it as police, so maybe. So we in a St. Catherine now, and we are cross over in a St. Andrew, right up here, so. Yeah. So you have ferry police station from my left there, so. And remember Coney Park? Yeah, man. Coney Park used to the right there, so from my left hand side, people. I could say, yeah, right there, so from my left, but them sell the land and there's a school over there now, it named Heidel. You understand? Heidel group of schools, you see me? Yeah, so you have one heap at a school, you have the little one for the little baby them. You have the middle size one, I think a prep, and you have the high school over there, you see me? Yeah. I must say infant school, the baby one car, I'm not sure. But yeah, man, that are going over there now, people. Yeah, good old Coney Park, you see me? Yeah. I want to hear and somebody in the comment section did talk about that. I say, them did actually move the border. So St. Catherine they come straight out there, so, but they move the border. You know? And turn right to say in St. Andrew. I don't know why still. You know, them politicians and them good pan them little thing when them are try to secure themselves in terms of people voting for them and them thing there. Yeah. Yeah, my people. Alright, so I'm going in front of the car and then we're going to merge left, people. We're going to go over left because we're going to head to like Washington Boulevard side and then go Molynes Road, alright? So yeah. If me did go right, that would have carried me down from Spanish Town Road, you see me? Yeah. I want to go to the side there. And in case you wonder, it's minutes to 12 right now. Yeah, a couple minutes to 12. Yeah. So you know it's still morning. Just about to approach the afternoon, yeah. Understand? Again, somebody tag right us up on the uppers police report, but there's no cops there still. But right aside the look of police them hotspot to them always one day they are trying to catch people with a speed and them little thing there, you know? Yeah. Yeah, so right so now Duane Park, alright? Yeah, Duane Park intersection where you have Duane Park, you have Corville over the right side. You know that, yeah, so that left you would have carry go around at Duane Park. You can carry go Sherlock, Brook Valley, them place there. You understand? Yeah. Yeah, man. You're going, bruv? Why you drifting, bruv? Wait, now your lane, man. And yeah, people, so this is Washington Boulevard, alright? Yeah. You know what you saw as me say, we just passed Duane Park and then we're gonna have Patrick City down here, so yeah. Yes, alright, it's Patrick City. And then you know, don't you know, don't you say Pembroke Hall. Alright, yeah. Pembroke Hall, don't you so people. Yeah. See, you should have a rag, use a rag and wipe off our mouth for me. Yeah. Yeah, use the wipes and wipe off our mouth, please. Yeah, people, as I say, remember me, I travel with my niece, them, so you know. Yeah, look, uncle duties are going on today, you see me? Yeah, man, look, uncle duty are going on, alright? Yeah. Yeah, man. Alright, people, so yeah, Pembroke Hall right here, so. And then, as you know, we have the community we call Marvely from the left hand side, and we have Jerusalem on the right hand side, alright? Yeah. So I just say you find them places, just in case you never know. Now you know, alright? Yeah. So I say Marvely over here, so on the left, Jerusalem on the right, yeah. Yeah, man. Nice people live over them places, still no people. You see me, a dangerous ground, but good people live over there, alright? Yeah, there's a few bad elements. You understand? But yeah. See the sign here, I don't know if the camera can pick it up clear, but on my left hand side the sign says welcome to Marvely. Yeah, man. You understand? Yeah, there's another one on the next side, but probably we can't get to see that one good. Say welcome to Jerusalem. Yeah, my people.
300 meters. Turn left.
Alright, so I make the left turn. Just wait for the car have a pass me. Alright. See you soon reach, alright? Yeah?
Turn left on Molynes Road.
Alright people, so this is Molynes Road now, my depot. I gotta go up now.
You've arrived at your destination.
Really? So me reach people. Oh yeah, me see it. I see the place, people, I see the place. Yeah, man. dentist office upstairs, eh? Alright, my people, so as I say, I bring them up and you don't know a thing go. Check in a dentist and make them get them things sorted out. Yeah, I never did expect that so close to when I did turn off would I reach people. But yeah, the beep beep sound you hear, the reverse sign, reverse light, reverse sound, sorry. Yeah. So you know the thing go people, 876 by birth, you know. You see me continue to like, share and subscribe, you understand? Yeah man. Continue to like, share and subscribe people. And until next video, I'm gonna say I said there, you know. Yeah man, so I'm out, alright? Yeah, I never know I read so quick, people. Honestly, I never know I read so quick. But there, man, big up on yourself. Continue to like, share, and subscribe. The plaza your name, you and then plaza. So, place where I go name 360 Dental. As I say, when that driving, you see it. So, big up on yourself, no more people. I run go upstairs, get them things sorted out. Because we have a 12 o'clock appointment and it's 2 minutes to 12. Alright, so 876 by birth. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. Alright, and I'm out.
Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching and I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, alright? Talk to me in the comment section, guys. I will respond to you, alright? And until our next video, stay safe.